Chana Bhatura, not a new recipe, but a treasured one. This Chana Bhatura is how I grew up eating it, simple and soulful. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube kitchen. Let's get started. The chana was soaked the previous night. This is the first step for a good hearty Chana Bhatura. I have taken 2.5 cups of chana. I'm adding 2 tea bags, a little salt and turmeric. The tea bags gives that nice deep color to the chana. I've also added a pinch of baking powder and now we will pressure cook them adding some water. While the chana is cooking, I am moving on to the dough for the bhatura. This step always reminds me of the weekend hustle in the kitchen. The soft, fluffy bhaturas were everyone's favorite. So to prepare the dough, I have taken 3 cups of atta, 3 tablespoons of rava, half a teaspoon of salt, and I'll mix them all well. Then I'm adding 8 tablespoons of curd and 2 tablespoons of oil. I will combine everything till it turns crumbly. Mix everything well now. Now we will slowly add warm water little by little and knead the mixture into a soft dough. Not too sticky or watery. This part needs a bit of patience. A well kneaded dough gives those soft, fluffy bhaturas. The soft dough is ready. We will cover and keep it for some time. The chana is cooked beautifully now, soft and perfectly done. Now it's time to start with the masala, which brings all the flavor to this dish. Let's remove the tea bags. For the masala, I have taken one big onion, 1 to 1.5 inch of ginger pieces, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 2 green chilies, 1 to 2 big tomatoes, and we'll blend all this well together. Now we will add half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon jeera, 1 teaspoon white dill seed, 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorns and blend them all well. The masala is ready, so let's start building the flavor. I'm heating a pan with a little oil and adding the whole spices like bay leaves, cinnamon bark, stone flower, cardamoms, and we will saute for a minute till they release their beautiful aroma. Now we will add the ground masala paste to the pan and saute well. We'll keep stirring until the raw smell disappears and the oil starts to separate. This step takes a bit of time, but it's where all the magic happens. The base of that rich, flavorful chana. We have already added salt to the chana while cooking. Now we will add a little more. Now it's time to add all the ground spices. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half teaspoon of amchur powder for that slight tang. Mix well everything together and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will add the cooked chana to the masala now. Mix it well so every chana is coated nicely. Let us allow it to simmer for a while and absorb all that flavor. Adding water now to bring the curry to the right consistency. Not too thick, not too thin, just perfect for dipping the bhaturas. Adding 1/4 teaspoon of dry methi leaves. Our chana is done and looking delicious. I'm garnishing it with fresh coriander leaves. Now let's get started with preparing the bhaturas, the perfect pair for this curry. The dough has been resting for about 4 hours now, enough time for it to soften and rise beautifully. The oil is nice and hot. Let us start frying. I have rolled them out evenly. Now we will carefully drop them in oil and press lightly so they puff up nice and fluffy. Dropping the second bhatura into the oil now. The first one turned out perfect, puffed up so well, golden and crisp. Let's do the same with this one. You can see that it's really puffing up well, golden and crispy. Let's fry all the rest of the bhaturas just like this, soft, golden and puffed. And then it's time to enjoy them with our flavorful chana curry. Simple, comforting and truly special. Serve them hot with the curry and you have got a meal that's pure comfort on a plate. I just love watching them puff up one after another like they're competing. Nothing beats fresh hot bhaturas with chana. It's the truly satisfying part of making this dish. Time to plate fluffy bhaturas and that delicious chana, a combo that never fails to impress. This chana bhatura turned out just perfect. And the best part, everyone loved it. Do give it a try and share it with your loved ones too. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking.